There is 4 things I want to share with you, which I find really helpful in the hard times. For the first one is own your pain, own your sadness. A lot of people said to you, you shouldn't be sad. I'm like, don't be sad. You know, you have to be happy. And I don't think that we all have to be happy all the time. You know, it's okay to feel sad. It is okay to feel sad. Own that moment. Take it, embrace it, dig in, reset yourself.
When you let yourself down, when you set a task and you let yourself down, it diminishes your confidence because you're like, I don't trust myself to follow through. So, you know, start small, chunk it down, and then try one thing at a time, I would say. And then celebrate when you do follow through. Be like, yeah, I did that thing for the last 2 weeks, and I followed through on that one thing every single day. And I find that really helps, rather than like trying to reinvent your whole life in a week, you know.
Number 2 is set up yourself 3 little goals when you're having these hard moments. So 3 little goals, which is that means like make your bed, make it amazingly, or take a shower. Even taking a shower, some people is like, oh yeah, take a shower. Well, actually, I can tell you, last year there were times where I didn't want to take a shower because I didn't find the strength to go to the shower and take it.
But then figure out, you know, how do you work best? If we're talking about gratitude, for example, if you're someone who's really visual, maybe you don't want to write it down every day. Maybe you want to like visualize every day or look at a vision board. If you like to hear things, you know, listen to podcasts. I've got a podcast, you know, there's so many amazing podcasts. Then if you like to write things down, do that, but find what works for you and make it work for you. And I always say to people, only set little goals and rituals for yourself if you're 70% confident that you will do exactly what you say, otherwise make it smaller.
Number 3, have moments where you basically see what's also around you. So you have these hard moments, but look around. Look at the people who really are in a lot harder situations, and also encourage you to maybe do things for the other humans. Things like, for example, charity, where you actually you know that you're having a hard time, but at the same time there's other people that actually are in worse situations. So have that perspective, get perspective of life. And number 4, which is also something that Amy talked about, is gratitude. Gratitude was a very big thing that I had to learn last year, and this is where the happiness planner came. Mo, my friend, gave it to me, and I was like, oh my God, I'm not gonna do this. This is ridiculous. I'm not gonna do a happiness like planner journal. Me, no way. But one day I thought, okay, whatever I have to do in order to be better, I'll do it. And I started writing every single day 4 things that I was grateful for. And you have no idea how much this actually changed my life. Because you start, I think we're all kind of hunting for these magic moments of life. Like, oh my God, if you get the job, if you met the person, if you get the holiday. But I think what we're forgetting every day is like the every single day beautiful, magical moments. The beautiful coffee that we get in the morning, the kiss that your love give you, or just a sunny day. So I really encourage everybody in the hard times to journal, to be grateful, because we are here and we're still here alive. So yeah, thank you.